What's up? We're back in the video, guys. I'm Rail Fan Landon. Here is Hamilton Northwestern departing Hamilton. Right now, here we go. Moving across the Russell, surprisingly. There he is. There he is. Going down a little bit now. Trussell. I know the conductor's in there. I see him now. There he is. Hoppers today is Brandon Fillmore. Must be gonna add a spur eventually. Extend that line. There's 4 tanks today. That sucks. Oh well. I'm sure they're stopping in Fillmore, but maybe not today. Maybe not. Or they stop and pick up 4 and then that'll be it. I don't know. Hints give me that either yes or maybe it's a maybe or more likely a no. But anyway. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch H&W in Holland. I already call him in Hamilton. Once again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Rail Fan Landon. Rail Fan Landon out.